guys, it's Alice Divine DBK here, and I am here to share with you my thoughts on the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And if you're interested in seeing what I think about this particular foundation, which is part of my foundation playlist, please keep watching. I want to take a moment to ask you to please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Now back to the video. Okay, so I'm probably late to the game. I know I'm late to the game. I've had this for a while. Actually, I just never broke it out because I have so many foundations, and this one is, I think All Day Luminous took the share. There was a Sheer Matte or Sheer something, not Sheer Glow, because Sheer Glow is still around, but there was one that was kind of more matte, I guess. And actually, that I really like that one when my skin was oilier. Now my skin's a little bit drier, so. But this is the one I'm trying. The color I am working with, I know they came out with some color expansions, but I'm working with medium dark 3, which is Cadiz. I think personally that it's a little yellow for me initially, but it does kind of, as it dries down, it does get a little darker. So I'm gonna, I don't know if you can hear that. It's very liquidy. But they say you're supposed to shake it up really, really well, which I'm doing. And then I'm going to start with 3 pumps on my brush. I don't have a primer on. Going directly on my skin. We're having a snowstorm, so I don't have to be totally made up for work today. I can wear minimal makeup because odds are there won't be anybody there, or very few people there, or very few people that I need to talk to, put it that way. So I have that on, excuse me, my entire face. And then I just take 2 more pumps to kind of try to catch some of the areas that need a little bit more coverage, because it doesn't, in my mind, doesn't give me a full coverage. It gives me a medium, which, as I say, is okay for today. I just want you to see, zoom in a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Now it does dry down a bit, a little bit darker. I have it on my face. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and put on the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm finished. And then so this is my completed look, and I will come back later. I'm going to try to remind myself to come back later just to let you see what it looks like. However, the lighting is not going to be this bright. This is daylight. I'm going to have artificial light tonight, but I will show you how this foundation wears after a long day at work. Boy, this is after a whole day. I don't know if the light, if you're getting enough light. Okay, I'm just kind of trying to shine a little more light on my face. Let's see. I don't know if we're getting enough light on there, but this is what my face looks like. Don't mind the hair. This is what my face looks like at the end of the day. I don't know if you can see. It's a little bit of lineage on one side. And I had creasing in my forehead and my 11 or 1. I have a 1, not necessarily an 11, but a 1 where it creased in there, and it creased a couple of lines on my forehead before from the beginning. But I'm trying to make sure I'm in the frame. Sorry, I'm making you dizzy. But this is what my face looks like at the end of the day. As I told you earlier, the lighting's going to be off because it's nighttime now. So, if you stayed to the end of the video, then I know you like my content. So please subscribe below, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and that will let you know when I upload. The word of the day today will be foundation. Foundation. Let's talk about it. I'll see you in my next video.